we were impressed with the whole overbuilt and everything that you guys put into the homes. And we were like, okay, we're gonna save electricity, we're gonna save on our bills, and the quality of everything that goes into it is like, it's a no-brainer.
Our realtor took us by a couple of Tabor houses, and we said, this is awesome. And once they got started, it's just amazing how fast everything went up.
My favorite part of the new home, I will have to say, the walk-in shower and my master bedroom walk-in closet. I have like the 3-tier closet. It's like I need a ladder to get to. Oh, and the coffer ceilings.
Probably the kitchen, just the way it's laid out, the nice open floor plan. You'll be able to be in there cooking and doing everything and still be able to talk to everybody else if you have company or anybody else.
I would definitely recommend Tabor Homes to anybody that is looking out there to move in, either in a move-in ready home or build. I never thought in a million years that I was gonna be building a home, and it was an incredible experience.